Hi folks, Charles from Twitty & Company here in Pine Island Reserve. I'm in front of ER006, the American Dream. It's a new home to our program this upcoming year. It's going to be an 11-bedroom oceanfront. We're here on the 3rd level of American Dream. On this floor, as you can see, impressive ocean views. This floor is going to feature the kitchen, the dining room, the great room, and 2 master bedrooms. We're on the ocean side of the 3rd level American Dream. The best part about an oceanfront house is, of course, the panoramic ocean views. Still here on the 3rd level of American Dream. One of the great features about these Pine Island Reserve homes is that you do get, in addition to the oceanfront view, you get the sound view as well. We're here on level 2 of the American Dream, again on the sound side with more sound views. On this level there's going to be a rec room, an oceanfront facing bar, and 6 master bedrooms. Okay folks, I'm standing here on level 1 of American Dream. There's a lot of awesome things happening on this floor. Over here to my right, we've got a theater room. Directly behind me, there's going to be a kids' corner with an interactive dance floor. It doesn't get much cooler than that. And then back here, we got a cabana bath, laundry facility, and then I'm currently standing in what's going to be a terrace room complete with an ocean-facing bar. You got a great shot of the pool outside, and these doors are retractable, so you'll be able to open them up, enjoy your nice summer weather in the summertime.